Miss Joyce, how are you?
I'm fine.
What keeps you busy after the Miss Universe Philippines
Ac-
Quezon City tournament?
Actually, yung mga ano ko, because I'm writing the book that I want to finish ngayon, which is How to Stay Young, Sexy, and Gorgeous at Any Age, di ba? Oo, kasi I have inspired a lot of people, not only women during that time. Sabi nila, Miss Joyce, tulungan mo naman kami. How to be you. Nakakatuwa sila.
You're
So,
almost 70s na.
I'm 71 now. Well,
Di ba hindi naman
se-
halata?
71.
Correct. When are you planning to release the book po?
I hope this year together with yung song na ginawa ko with Benny Saturno. Sinulat niya kasi yung Walang Imposible. Sabi ko kasi there's really nothing impossible if you set your heart to it, 'di ba? Imaginein mo at age 69, makasali ka sa official candidate for a Miss Universe. Di ba impossible yun?
Correct.
Oh, I made it. So, wala imposible, di ba?
After
Maganda.
nga po ng exposure niyo doon, parang ang dami ng mga senior citizen na sumali sa ibang bansa naman.
Yes,
Parang
yes.
you gave way to that.
Oo, and I was happy kasi I received a lot of emails, tapos I had calls na telling me that I inspired them. Parang sabi nila, akala daw nila, parang, senior citizen na sila, parang wala ng pag-asa, na uh, manonood na lang ng TV, maghihintay ng kamatayan. Sabi ko, of course not. And then when they saw me, sabi na, wow, pwede pala. Pwede pala ako to do something with my life. Sabi ko, of course. And I was so happy, lalo na nung in-interview ako sa Colombian radio station. Sabi sa akin, nakikinig daw yung buong Hispanic community. Tapos they were translating yung English ko sa Spanish. Di ba that's wow? Sabi ko, what a privilege. Yung
Inspiring.
ako, sabi ko, I'm inspiring a lot of people. Tapos, yung bang ways ko na I'm just being myself. Why not, di ba? Sabi ko nga, if I could do it, you could do it too.
That's good.
Di ba? Oo.
May, ano pa ba? May mga plans ka pa bang salihan na beauty contest
Beauty contest.
or pageant?
Hindi na siguro. Fitness na lang siguro.
Fitness na
Fitness.
lang.
Sabi ko nga, ay, teka muna. Ano kaya mag-ano ko? Sumali ako sa marathon.
Uy, why not?
I have to train.
Kaya-kaya.
Oo, I have to train. Sabi ko, titingnan ko if kaya kong mag-train. So, of course, before I join something, I have to train for that. Di ba? Parang nakita kong running, sige, tingnan ko nga. parang exciting.
Wow.
Di ba?
Miss
Oo.
Jo,